Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Yeah, hello.
Hi Rishi, how are you?
I'm audible. Yeah, hi.
Hi
Hi, Sai.
Abner,
How are you?
how are
Hi,
you?
Gaber. How are you? I'm audible, right?
You are.
I'm back in my city, my original city. Today, that's my original.
All right. I'll just share my screen. Yeah. Can you able to see my screen?
Yep.
All right, fine. So I haven't took any trade today. Again, like the market is currently consolidating in gold. Just look at these candles. So it is not at all moving good. So I'm actually waiting for some kind of clean movements or a breakout from the consolidation. So that is why like I haven't took any trade in gold as of now. And yeah, so as per gold, like as per my analysis, like gold is actually currently consolidating. So again, like the market is now in the current support zone. So like I need a strong closure above the highs, at least like a candle closure above this particular red candle. Maybe I'll turn into bullish so that I can plan my trades in a discounted zone. So this is my view on gold. Overall, I'm still bullish, but currently the market is consolidating in gold. So I'm just waiting for a clean breakout to happen so that I'll plan my trades in a discounted zone in gold. So this is my analysis on gold, and yeah. So Nasdaq again it is consolidating, and Monday is a no trade day for me when it comes to Nasdaq. So particularly like I'll just wait for the market to settle or to give clear direction so that I'll plan my trades. But overall the bias is still bullish. You can able to see. Yeah, so the market is clearly bullish for a very long time. So whenever the market is breaking the lows, like I'll just plan my buy entries. But currently, like look by looking at this candle, this particular candle, like the market actually broke this consolidation on the downside. Like we can able to see a very strong down closure candle. Even the market closed below this fabric up. This will turn into IFEG now. So currently, like for this price action, I'm bearish. So I'm just expecting the market to reach uh, this level or this level, and then again the market may bounce back on the higher side. So this is my analysis on Nasdaq too. So to be honest, like today is actually no trade day for me. So I'll just wait and watch the market as it is Monday to settle. I just want a clear price action to plan my trades. And you, Sai? Hello.
Okay. Yeah, bro.
Like,
Like,
are you using GIMP like DJI?
yeah. What happened?
You're actually the portrait. Like it is not landscape. Yeah,
I don't know. What the fuck?
and you have to zoom in.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Okay,
You
fine.
can try chat. Sorry.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, now we can share.
So I took a trade at the Asia Open. So that
Okay.
was the first trade. I exited at the London close somewhere when the sweep happened. Uh,
Okay.
and I think I'll get my first 5-digit payout from funding pips for the first time after 53 payouts or 52 payouts. I'll be getting that 5-digit payout finally.
What
So
was that?
Okay.
yeah.
That's really interesting.
So this was the trade. I was pretty much short on gold, long on dollar because DXY, if you see, it basically swept this low, covered the gap, and then did a very sharp
Oh,
retracement.
okay.
And
Okay.
in terms of this action as well, because market basically did a gap down, it came down, filled this gap, and did a very aggressive reaction out of there. So that was the same reaction out of gold as well at the same time. So this was the gap fill, like opened after gap down. This was the gap fill.
Okay. Okay.
Entered at the Asia Open somewhere around 7:30. From there, I just held it until the London close. So when this sweep is happening, I was not very confident to hold it, so I just exited. For now, I'm still bearish because of this candle with no wick. That's one reason which I'm pretty much bearish. I would, even if it has to go up, it would come down, make a wick, sweep this liquidity, and then go up if it has to do that. But currently, the overall bias for the day was like bearish for me, so I'll be more predominantly looking for shorts itself. Although I'll not be trading much because I just got a very good trade in the Asia session. I might not be trading anything else for the day.
Okay.
So that's about gold. Um, Coming to NAS, I think pretty much the overall bias was bullish, but again, we would have to wait and see how this would react. So the immediate point of retest is this, which is also the weekly opening level. So if there is a reaction near to this level and then a bounce, then that is something which I might look at. But again, pretty much the buyers were trapped the entire day. There was a sweep, then dump, again sweep and dump, sweep and dump. And there was this aggressive push towards the selling side. So predominantly, I might be looking at sells towards the lows, but again, we never know. After the market opens at 9:30, it might reverse from here. So that's an area which I'll look out for. But currently, the bias is still bearish for Nasdaq as well.
Okay.
That's about over to you, Gaber. I think you can share your screen.
Yeah, I can share.
Is Gabber sharing the screen or
Yeah, yeah, just
your voice is not audible, Gabber?
it's not showing. So can you see my screen? Can you guys see my screen?
Your voice is like very low, Gaber.
Yeah, that's the thing. I forgot my mic.
Gabber, like, are you talking? Like, we couldn't able to hear you properly.
Yeah, I can't hear too. I need to know how you guys hold trades so long. Bro, I live in UK, so
Yeah, do
when
you
the
hear me?
Asia, yeah,
Do you
it is
hear me?
better now. It is better now. Bro, I live in
Okay.
UK, and when Asia opens, it is like around 1:30 a.m. my UK time. So what I do is I just take, I sleep. That's it. That's when I wake up, it is London open. So by the time either the trade is at TP or I just exit manually, looking at London price action. And if it's a SL, it's an SL. Yeah.
Yeah, so you could potentially look for sell. Well, you can hear me right now, right?
Yeah, bro. Much clear.
No, it's like,
Okay. So the only way I could look for shorts is in this hourly gap. I could look, but my chart of liquidity could be this. I would not look for anything lower, even though this look like a low resistant liquidity, but it's just targeting the low hanging fruits. I could target this if I'm like in a drawdown on an account, an evaluation, and I'm trying to pass. I could target these lows. But for master account, I could only target this for shorts out of this value gap, or looking for longs from here or here. Could be an SMT from here because you see the midnight opening price for the previous day could be act as a resistant price point. So probably an SMT from here. And that's pretty much it. Let me look at gold. Gold. Let's go now. Let's go. All right. Hmm. Gold is way chopped than Nasdaq right now. Okay, so we are between the previous week low and previous week high. No, heck. Look at this. These prices. Mm. I'm just gonna look at the previous week high and low. Look at the daily. It's lagging. 1 second. Right. So looks like we're rejecting out of a daily for value gap right now. It's kind of chopped though. That's an interesting. We could go. I can't now have a bias right now because our time frame is going bearish to this low probably. Wait, we could go to this low and reject from a daily fair value gap, but at the same time, the 4 hour looks bullish to the swing point. So if I could be bullish, I will be bullish from this fair value gap to here, and then I will pretty much look for shorts, or I will just immediately looking for shorts right now. Like if short opportunity appears, I could take some shorts. Longs only from this fair value gap to this as a joint of liquidity. Yeah, that's not much. What do you think? No one looks at the Dow Jones. No, you guys trade the Dow. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you guys don't trade the Dow. You didn't give how many years of experience you got, bro? How many years of experience you got? You're talking to who exactly? Are you there? I need to know. Hold trades so long. How we hold rates so long? Uh, well, I don't know. It could be discretion. There are many reasons for someone to hold a trade for too long. It could be based on discretionary trading or his strategy. But if it's not based on a strategy, it could be either discretion or sometimes it's like mix of discretion and also your it depends on your situation with your account. Like for example, when I'm in drawdown with an evaluation account, not a master, an evaluation account, I could hold trade to go, to like if I'm drawdown like seven, like no, like 8% in drawdown, I could hold my trade to go back to break even or even sometimes pass. Sometimes I'm drawdown like 7%, and then from drawdown 7% to it pass the account phase one like 8% profit and 8% drawdown. That's like 60%. That's what I do. It's like mix of discretion and drawdown. And if it's based on your technical, then it's yeah, you could someone could explain it because technically like my strategy that it's not for holding trades for Nasdaq. No, I don't hold for 300 points. That's not what I do. But based on discretion, sometimes like right now we are at all-time highs, so I could hold like long positions because we are at all-time highs. I could expect a 300-point day. So that's it. So my mic was working, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's working.
Ah, I was scared because it says no audio. I don't know. That's weird.
Oh, like initially we couldn't able to hear you, but now it's clean.
Yeah. Because right now I'm back in my original city, for Eid, and I don't have my equipment with me. Only the laptop and the webcam.
Okay.
Yeah, holy girls. Yeah. Are you going to? Do you want to share your screen? Is there something you want to explain, guys? If you have questions, just ask. How many guys do we have? Guys, just ask questions if you got any questions. Just 16. Any questions about gold, Nasdaq? So Nasdaq now is dropping. Let's look at the ES. We didn't saw that. We had an SMT. That's a super violent SMT right there. All
Yeah,
right. So
I'll
what's
share
the?
the screen.
Okay, share screen. You already shared. Wait, what's going
Yeah,
on?
yeah.
How does that work?
No, like I just shared my screen, so like in background, like they just added my screen to the.
Yeah, but the audience they say they see my screen or your screen.
Yeah, now they see my screen.
Yeah,
Like
but I
previously,
just
they
okay. Also,
right, fine. If you do have any doubts, you can just ask in the chat box, guys. I'll try to answer
Yeah.
your questions. Currently, like we don't have liquidity. Like I'm not expecting the market a good move today, but let's wait. Like if there is any liquidity and if there is any opportunity, like I'll just go for the trade. So I like, do you focus only on CFDs or like do you trade futures too?
Futures are automated, bro. So I trade them, but they are all on automation right now. So I just keep it on a bot, leave it, and it just runs on autopilot. So if the account fails, just take a new account, keep repeating.
Does platforms allows EA to use in futures?
Yep, they are much more friendly than CFD ones.
Okay. Is it your EA or like did you bought it from somewhere else?
No, I build all my strategies.
Okay. Guys, like if you don't have any questions, you can just ask in the chat box. We'll answer your doubts. So the market is actually trying to push from the support zone. But again, like we do have one more hurdle here. This may also act as a range too. Let's see. But this is actually a pretty good scalp. Again, like I don't want to trade today. Okay, so this is just a test trade. Like I'm just going to short by keeping this high as a stop loss. And let me just target this low. So this is like I'm just going to execute in the demo account. Like I just need a closure, then I'll just go for the trade. Let's see how it works. Oh, look at this move. Again, like I haven't executed in my like funded account. Like it is just a demo trade, not even challenge account. I think it is going to go straight on the downside. Let me just extend the target to this level. Let's see how it reacts. Even I can target this low, but yeah, this is my main target as of now. Let's see. Shiva 5 minutes auto block on left side and 1 minute confirmation. Okay, okay, fine. I haven't entered broke to be honest. Like I just entered in demo account, but the move is actually wild. I think it will easily hit this target. Let's see. Like have you considered this is an auto block? This one, SMC Smart. Actually, the rejection is pretty good on the lower side for this rejection. Still, we do have 2 more minutes. Let's see. Guys, like if you don't have any doubts, you can just ask in the chat box. We'll try to clear doubts. Again, the market took support from this level. It is currently started making higher rise. Let's see how it ends. If there is any strong closure, there are high chances that the market may go upside. But let's wait and watch. I don't want the market to break this fair value cap. I mean, I don't want a candle to close above this fair value cap. If it closes, like I'll just exit the trade. See, funding pips provided their live payout API publicly, so you can just track all the payouts live, even in Discord, or you can just visit Perform Match website. There you can able to track all the funding pips website. Like you can just track the payouts. Funding pips never deny payouts. Even you can just check Twitter or any other prop forms, like they actually deny payouts. Even the top form, which was established like long back years, they are denying payouts. They are just putting restrictions on accounts. Here, like the rules are very simple. If you're having a funded account and if it is above 50K or 50K, the maximum risk that you can take in a single trade is 2%. That's it. Just risk 1% or 0.5% and then target 1 or 2%. Simple, like you can just request payouts. Just cut down all the noises in Instagram. Shiva, now if you're full time trader, not exactly full time trader. I'm also focusing on businesses too. So I do trade and then business. That's it. Sorry. If someone is having trust issues with funding bips, just go to that Discord server. You can just track their payouts live, or you can just visit Profit Match website. There you can just track their payouts live. So it's completely transparent. I don't know how people are even blaming funding pips for this. Okay, I'm actually done with this trade, guys. This closure is actually concerning me. Again, like if a candle closes above this particular fair value gap, like I'm done with this trade. It's better you can just go close with break even. Still, this is a very big candle. A very big candle. Sorry. Sorry. If you had to choose one, would you prioritize trading or business? Which do you believe has a greater potential to change a person's life and create long-term success? See, very simple. Like if someone wants to get into trading, always have an income source. For example, let's say if I want to buy a challenge account, yeah, I'm going with 100K funding pips account, and it will cost me around like $400 or $500. Depends on the model. So even if I fail the challenge account, I can still able to buy one more account, which, because like I do have an income source apart from trading. So that will actually help my mind to free. I can just focus on trading. I can just focus on entries. I don't I don't need to stress myself to focus only on trading. That is a bigger advantage. So if you want to get into trading, always have an income source, whether it is business or job. Just have an income source, a stable income source, okay, that will pay your bills, and then uh, in that money, if you don't have any extra money that you can invest, then you can just focus on trading. But my priority, first priority would be a job or business, and once I do have stable income, then I'll focus on trading. Without income source, don't get into trading, please. And also one advantage in business is you can actually automate it completely. Once you build a system and once you hire perfect people, you can just automate it and money flows automatically. Sorry. Again, it is respecting the fair value gap. Let's see. So someone is asking a question. Oh, okay. Like I just closed this trade, guys. I don't want to move further. But still, like it is a demo trade. So do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, someone asked you a question.
What's your view? Bro, I was sell on gold from Asia Open. I'm still sell on gold till now. Till the lower levels are retested, I'm still on sell. But I'm not in any trade right now because one is like New York Open within the London's range and just consolidating.
She buy should be sell. No, no, no. Like I just sold here. That on my demo account, and I targeted initially this low, and again like I later shifted my target to this low, but again like it eventually reverses. Don't enter sales. I think like it's better just watch the charts today. Just understand Monday price action, then you can come to a conclusion like how we can plan our trades on further. Again, like and sorry, in higher time frame, we can just see the consolidation. Look at the consolidation, like it is still consolidating. If you're a good scalper, you can scalp at highs and lows, but overall, like it is consolidating as of now. So we need a strong push either on the high side or on the downside, so that we can plan our trades. But again, like keep keep this in mind, like we don't have imbalances over here that is not filled yet. So anytime the market may break and then fill this imbalance, and then again the market may bounce back on the higher side. But overall, in higher time frame, like market is consolidating. If you want to trade, you can just scalp like some points. Like I entered trade here and targeted this low, right? So these kind of scalps, if you're good at scalping, you can scalp, or else just wait patiently so that you will get a very good breakout. Then you can enter. Sai, can we end the live?
Sorry?
Can we end the live?
Yeah, bro. I
Just give
think
me.
it's already 1 hour, right?
Yeah, guys. Like if you don't have any doubts, you can just text in the chat box, or else we'll end the live now. We'll like I'll wait for 2 more minutes. Hi Rishi bro, like do you know the current maximum allocated capital offered by funding pips? It's 300k. Maximum capital allocation is 300k with funding pips. See, to be honest, like when it comes to CFD, just try to max allocate with funding pips. And once you're max allocated, then you can shift to any other paid areas. Sorry, then you can shift to any other platforms. Uh, 300k means like we can buy 300k accounts or 650k accounts or 12 25k accounts. So overall, like we can have maximum 300k with funding pips. All right, guys. We'll end the stream now. See you tomorrow. Thank you for joining today's live. Uh, Hope you have a good day. Bye, sir.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye, Rishi.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
bye. See you again next week.